morning, depending on where you're watching. Good evening or welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have a short session on OTC. As you guys probably already know, especially those of you that has experience trading, this is binary option, and what I'm using is pocket option. I heard a lot about pocket option, and I've been using it for quite some time. So I heard that it's reliable, it pay, and the deposit, for you to deposit money, deposit process is easy. You don't really have, depending on how you're depositing on the account, you don't really have to go too much. No, and times the process will only take between 3 to 4 minutes. I just deposited like 90 something. Yeah, to be exact, let's say 96, because guys, pocket option is a binary option broker. So basically that's not regular forex. As it's true that you still trading forex, but remember you don't have binary options. You basically have I'd say that you have the same options. You have a call, which is buy or go long if you are talking about forex. So you basically buying the asset, you do a buy, and the opposite is sell. So you basically selling, or you just do a put. But in binary option, the difference is that you don't have I'd say you don't have pips. You basically not, your profits is not calculated in pips. You don't have that. Or you don't have stop loss. You don't have to set that up, stop loss. You don't have any of that. Basically, binary option is what you do. You place a bet. The bet that you place is, let's say for example, now we're looking at what? We're looking at CAD, JPY. That's OTC. That's under the counter. That's not the real market. In binary option, let's say that you you do all your analysis, and you notice that now you're at a resistance level, okay? And most likely you just wait for your setup, and you know exactly what you need to wait for to do a buy. And then you go ahead and say, okay, I'm looking at this high low. Then I think within, let's say, 7 minutes, the price will reach this high low. Okay, because right now the price is is at the resistance level. And then you go ahead and you place a buy. Now, you will make a profit if the window 7 minutes, the price stays, let's say, below or above your entry point. Then you make a profit. But if it goes against you, if it goes below your entry point, then you lose, let's say, $1.67, which is basically what you were risking. That's the amount that you were risking. You were risking $1.67 for 7 minutes. You bet that price will go up. Okay, but it goes against you. So you basically you lose, or the amount that you risked, you lose everything. And but they say that the price actually goes in your direction, goes in your favor, and you basically would make 90% of what you invested or what you risked, which is what $1.54. That's basically your profit. That's what you make. But in forex, it's different. It's different. Your profit is calculated in pips. Let's say if from this point here to this high low, you let's say that it's 10 pips. Let's say it's 10 pips. Okay, depending on your lot size, and you make a profit. That's how you calculate the profit because remember that you went long and you caught 10 pip. Depending on the lot that you were using, then that's how you calculate your profit. That's the main difference between forex and binary option. Basically, forex, I would say it has more to do with pips, stop loss, all that shenanigan. But binary option, you're basically placing your bets based on expiration time. So if it's 5 minutes expiration time, it's 1 minute expiration time. But at the end of the day, the market, the assets, everything is basically the same. You do your calculate, do your analysis, your fundamental analysis, you check the news, you do all that to make sure that you're not trading when you're not supposed to. So that's the whole difference. The only thing I really like, I like with binary option is the simple fact that it's a lot faster. It's a lot faster than forex, but also we have to admit that it's a lot riskier as well. So the risk is higher. Why? Because in forex you could actually get, I'd say at least 100% of what you risk, or sometimes 200% of what you risk. Let's say that you risk $1,000. Now, depending on your risk to reward ratio, then you could actually make 5 times that, 3 times that, 4 times that, sometimes 8 times that, depending on your risk to reward ratio. If you have, let's say, a 1 to 7, 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, so it basically means that you're risking, let's say you're risking 100, then in return you get 300, get 400. So that's why forex is way more profitable. It's as difficult as binary options because you're still dealing with the market. It's unpredictable. It's all about probability. You really don't know if within the next, like here, looking at this trade, I'm not sure within the 7 minutes that price is gonna stay below my entry price. So that's the risk. Okay, I'm not sure, and there's no one in the entire world. So whether they've been trading for now since day 4 or since they start calling, they can't. There's no such thing as predicting at 100% which direction the market is going. That's not possible unless you're like Johnny Cage. You could actually see the future. That's the only way you can actually predict the market at 100%. Besides, that's not possible. So in a nutshell, that's why I've been trading binary options since 2021, and it's because it's faster. You don't have to stay the whole day looking at the chart. So you basically, I say, If you know what you're doing, and then you patient enough, you just wait for your setup. You journal your trades. You learn every day, and then you improve every day. It's possible to make money. It's definitely possible to make money trading binary option because it's what it all has to do with being consistent, being disciplined. You stick to your plan, and you also believe that it's possible. You do your proper analysis. You're extremely patient. You wait for your setup. You try to control your emotion as best as you can. And at the end of the day, all that will pay off. It will pay off because the more you stick to one thing, the better you are at it. It's just inevitable. At some point, you would just see things, see shapes, patterns in the market that you know would make you money. So that's why I trade binary options. But to be honest with you, guys, if you're a beginner, I would suggest you to stick to the real market because binary options is basically, I would say, speculations from directly from the broker. That's not the actual market because there's a time that the market opens and also there's a time it closes. Today, the market is already closed. It's about to be closed. So therefore, whatever you're trading here is not the real market. But if you know what you're doing, like I said, you backtest your strategy enough, and then you stick to your plan, you're patient, you could make some money. Money. Because my goal today was to make 3%, and so I'm actually doing a challenge for the next 365 days. I believe that this is possible. This is this is it. Okay, I have my calculator right here. So that's my profit target every day. Profit target every day for the next 365 days. So I invested 96, deposited $96, and if everything goes according to plan, by the end of the year, so we'll have that amount. That would be my deposit by the end of the year. Would be 4 million and some change. But let's wait and see how that goes. And also, if packet option will let me withdraw my money. Oh, let me take out my profit. Time will tell. Let's go back to the chart. Okay, perfect. So as you could see, guys, as you can see, 7 minutes was more than enough, but we have a short accumulation here. So one, two, three, just 5 candles. Actually, I'd say 6 candles, and then just shoot back up. So I went ahead and took that trade because look, first and foremost, we have this resistance level. Okay, we have this resistance level. As you could see, we have one touch over here, and then we have a slight, we have an aggressive pullback, and then we also have it went back right here. It just pulled back up again, but look, it stayed below the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA stayed below the 50 EMA. Actually, the 90 EMA, that's a 90 EMA. The green one is the 50 EMA. It stays right below it, and then it went back again to the level, just stays there right at the level, and then it broke out. Now it's going back up again. But as you can see as well, look at the RSI. It's right below the 50 level. Well, basically we're in a strong downtrend. So that's why I went ahead. Once it broke the level, I went ahead and placed a 7 minute straight. So today I took how many trades? I took 1, 2, 3, 4. But I lost one. First trade. Okay. I would say that's 90%. So for today, let me go ahead and check. It's the first trade. I won 3 out of 4. Okay. Well, it's the winning rate, but don't be focused on that, guys. I just want to see how I did today. What was my winning rate, trading profile, just for today. So that's my current balance. Just 49%. So how many? See, no, that's not for that's overall trading performance for today. Yeah, 75%. 75%. And max profit of 973 cents. 100%. Perfect. Now we're coming back tomorrow, but today we're just gonna be back testing. Getting into the habit of getting to know the ins and out of my strategy. That's gonna work. That's basically the end goal. Just back testing. So I'm okay for today. Now we're coming back tomorrow. Strong again. Coming back tomorrow. I'm gonna have this right here for me to actually assess how I'm doing every day. It's just my daily performance. So the target was $2.88, but now I ended up making. Yeah, I made a profit of $3.15. All right, so put that down. Okay, perfect. Okay, there you go. Anyway, no matter. Right. See this? Look at this. You have the 90 MA crossing the 50 MA downward. That you still have a short or slight accumulation right here, but look at this level right here, and look at the RSI. I think the RSI is gonna touch the 50. It's gonna touch the 50 level, and then you're gonna have a strong pullback to the resistance level. That's gonna be my last trade. I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. It's just what it is. I'm not gonna be over trading today. Okay. Look at the RSI. The RSI. I think that 7 minutes is enough price to reach this level. See how the EMAs are they distancing each other? You see how the 9 is getting away from the 50? Now look at this big uh, red candle heading down strong. But remember, that's OTC. Ah, that's what you see. It's not the real market. What you see. Gotta be careful. I said, I win, I win. If I win, I'm gonna be at 121 cents. If I lose, I'm still gonna be at 92. Actually, 98. Let me see if that's within the scope of the 3%. But let's wait and see. Let me go. Let me check the 30 seconds chart. Let me see. Okay. Uh, go back to the 1 minute. Let's wait and see. Wait and see. So those kind of trade, I'd say that whenever you're catching trades like this, it's it's a testament that you're not only improving every day, you are improving, but also you're understanding what you're doing. You're just not taking trades, you know, left and right without even knowing why. You're taking the trade or understanding why you enter at that particular price because you just don't know what you're doing. Not your. I say that at the same time, it's your fault and not your fault because if you stick to your chart, you learn the right way. You stay consistent. You patient. You will get there. You will. It might take 2, 3 years, but you keep your head down. You're grinding. You will get there. It's just a matter of time. You will get there one day. You will look back and you will be able to see the difference. You'll be able to see that you're not the same trader and that you'll improve. And one more thing, guys, I'm also working on is helping you identifying on YouTube or on social media traders that are telling me the truth. They're not just trying to sell you a course. Like me, I'm not selling anything. As you can see, I'm not even a profitable trader yet. So I'm still in the journey. So, and if I'm making money off of trading, and there's so many other avenues on social media I can use to generate income. Absolutely. But selling you stuff that's already free for free on the internet, that's dishonest. And I don't want to go that way. And I'm not going that way. Right. So basically what I was saying is you stick to just one thing, you perfect it to the point that you can actually trade in your sleep. You can actually do it in your sleep. Okay? You look at the market, you spend time on the chart, you practice, you backtest until you understand what you're doing. And it's just gonna be you will get to a point where it's just gonna come natural. Just gonna come natural. Where you don't have to where you know that you're not gambling. Or you don't have to be sweating because, you know, you take a trade that you're not sure of. Because you're just gambling. You don't understand what you're doing. You don't even understand basic market structure. You don't even know what an uptrend is or downtrend is. You're looking at the market, you're just completely lost. So therefore, that's an indication that you need to spend more time on the charts. You need to spend more time on the charts because price action, believe me, it works across the whole board. It works across everything. Whether it's you trading commodities, you trading crypto, metals, forex, futures, price action is the same. Because price does just do one thing. It goes up and down. When it's not going up and down, what is it doing? It's just going sideways. So those are the three things that you need to understand. You need to understand where the price is, what the price is doing, and that's also what will help you to know where to enter, where to take your trade. You see this trade, like I was explaining, I took it for three reasons. First, we have price under the 90 EMA, and also you see this candle touches the 50 EMA. And remember, the 50 EMA, whenever price is below it, you're definitely in the downtrend. And whenever price is above it, you're in an uptrend. But that's not enough for you to go ahead and take a trade. You have to look into all the factors as well before you go ahead and take your trade. And I use what? I'm using the RSI indicator. Now you know the RSI indicator. So whenever you below the 50 level, you're in a downtrend. Whenever you're below the 50 level, you're in a downtrend. Whenever you're above it, you're in an uptrend. So everything just line up. Everything line up for me to take the trade. I have you see this short accumulation right here, right at the cross, and then we have this candle that touches the 50 EMA, and look at the RSI below the 50 level. So everything line up. So you take the trade. So just go ahead and take the trade. But if it goes against you, you're fine because you're not risking your entire balance. You're not gambling. Yeah. Okay, that's where we are now. At 120, 21. That's it for today. I'm not over trading, so we're gonna call it a day. We're coming back tomorrow. You all stay safe. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Bye.